Welcome, I'm Dr. Janine Bowring, naturopathic doctor, and today I'm talking about full body detox and how to use the sun to detox and cleanse. So this is probably something that you've not heard before, and specifically related to heavy metal toxicity. So one of the things that happens if we have a lack of sunlight, if we have too much EMF, so non-native EMF exposure from cell phones, from Wi-Fi, from 5G, and all of that radiation around us that is not natural, and blue light toxicity as well, is that we can have unsulfated vitamin D. So we need to sulfate our vitamin D so that it's active in our body, and that unsulfated vitamin D can then have a negative impact on our vitamin B2 levels. This can then lower our NAD and our NADH, which can then slow down our methylation pathways. And one of the cycles is the methylation cycle at cytochrome 1, which is important. There's something called metallothionein, which is a specific heavy metal binding protein. And if none of this sulfation happens, ultimately with that proper sulfation from that natural sunlight exposure, with those specific wavelengths of light from the sun and full spectrum lighting, then we are not effectively helping our detox mechanism. So this is really important to note that as much as, some people will say that eating toxic food and accumulating heavy metals from different, aspects of our diet, it's not always the full picture. We have to make sure that we do not become a heavy metal accumulator in terms of our own, biochemistry in our body by shutting down our detox mechanisms and by lack of proper sunlight exposure. So one of those things that, we can definitely all improve if we're not getting enough of that natural sunlight exposure, and to help with that full body detox. So there you have it, another aspect to help with your overall health and your longevity. Doing that full body detox, how to use the sun and to detox and to cleanse your body, along with other, detox methods that that you work for you and that you love. Some of my favorites are the herbal medicines, so we'll definitely put a link below to help you in that department as well. So I hope you've got some questions or comments. Do you get enough natural sunlight exposure? I'd love to hear from you. Please put it in the comment section below. Be sure to share this video as well. And if you learned something new, I'd love to hear from you, so please give me that big thumbs up and that support. So if you're new to my channel, welcome in. I hope that you'll subscribe and also click that bell to turn on your notifications so you're always notified of my newest and latest uploads. And remember to always take good care of your health and do it naturally. Thanks for watching today.